चौध महारानी तू हम उड़ीसा भाषा में वो कनेक्टिविटी को देऊंगा तो ये क्लाइमेट चेंज तुमने चौध महारानी तुमने चौध महारानी तरह गुड बाय बहुत है चौध महारानी तेरी तोड़ देंगे चौध महारानी। तो चौध महारानी बंगाली वैश्या मागी दुर्जना दुष्टा शैतानी असभ्य सावेज अमेरिका में जाके a whole American country, nation, continent you have made converted as a country of savage evil. You have your devil activity in the untime, dispatch in the winter, top winter cannot be such type of flooded. And the force against that strong wind, that coldness you are bringing, piercing into the with machine, just like a rocket. You have made such much of flood. The Bengal, India is the winter time. This is much of the flood. It has been devastated of the Indian condition, particularly eastern region state, Orissa, Bengal, and partly Assam, Bangladesh. It has been devastated. The Bankura, Purulia, Medinapur, Chabbish Pargana, Hooghly is flooded. This type of state is flooded to this Ajadadahi Dharmastha Glanir Bhavati Bharata. जब राज नहीं धर्मस्थ दुष्ट लोगों का you see the floods, the rains is coming in such a way that is overflowing. There is no वो उसमें वो खुला कि नहीं वो पता नहीं है वो उसमें रेन ओवरफ्लो कर गया उसमें ओवरफ्लो कर रहा है. This is the flood rain is coming and that they will see this land is becoming in the winter just like rainy season. Here this is the devastative condition of the flood of the Bengal that Modi and Mamata सारे चौध महारानी मागी और चुदीर बच्चा साला कुत्ते जो